and welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a what I eat in a day because it has been highly requested on my channel and so I wanted to give that to y'all. Just so you guys know, today is Wednesday and on Wednesdays I usually volunteer at the school for a few hours and I will sit with my kids while they eat lunch at school. Gracie June has lunch at 10:40 and Kason has lunch at 12:40. So sometimes I'll bring my lunch and sit and eat with Gracie June because I can't wait till 12:40 to eat. But some days I will just come back home after her lunch and eat here and then go back and sit with Kason. So today we had some leftovers that I wanted to eat for lunch, so that's what I'm gonna do today. But I'm just gonna take you guys along with me throughout my day and just show you what I eat. So almost every day I start my day off with a cup of coffee and I usually do 10 ounces in the Keurig. And then I'll put a tablespoon of fat-free French vanilla. It's the International Delight brand. And then I'll put a tiny bit of Splenda in my coffee. And I usually drink my coffee when I'm taking the kids to school, so I'll just drink it on the way. And today for breakfast, I'm just gonna eat 2 boiled eggs, and I actually got these already made, the Kroger brand, and I like how they come packaged. It just makes it easy, and then I put a little bit of Frank's Red Hot sauce on top of my eggs while I'm eating them. And then I'll drink water with my breakfast, and my goal is to drink this entire glass before lunch. Alright, and then for lunch, I'm going to heat up some shrimp tacos from last night, and they were just leftovers, and I actually did a video not too long ago with this recipe. I did a cook with me, and this is one of my favorite recipes, and these shrimp tacos are so good, so I'm having that for lunch. And I'll link that video down below and up in the cards in case you would like to check this recipe out. And I'm also drinking a Diet Dr. Pepper with my lunch. And then later on, when it's about time for me to go get the kids, I will eat a snack. And today I chose an unhealthy snack and decided to get some Cool Ranch Doritos, some of my favorite chips. But I just pulled out a little Ziploc and I will eat them in the car on the way to get the kids, and I'll drink water with it. And then for dinner this night, I made ham and Swiss sliders, and I actually did a video on this, so you will have one of those coming soon. And they were so good. I highly recommend these, so definitely be on the lookout for this recipe and the video that I'm going to share for you guys. And then for dessert, if you guys have been watching my channel, any hauls or anything, you know my favorite are these Samoa knockoffs, which are the Keebler brand coconut dream cookies, and I love these and so do my kids, so that's what I'm having for dessert. I usually eat 2 of those, and that gives me my little sweet treat for the night. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoy my what I eat in a day. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. I would love to share them with you if you enjoyed it. And make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.